Namaste and welcome back to Ajay Money Guru. This is Neena, and today we are diving deep into the latest movements in the commodity markets, focusing specifically on black pepper. If you've been following along, you know that domestic pepper prices have seen some significant fluctuations recently. After a sharp decline of 4,000 rupees to 4,200 rupees per quintal over the past couple of weeks, we're now observing a slight recovery. Today prices have edged up by 100 rupees per quintal. What's driving this change? Well, the lower prices seem to have made sellers a bit hesitant. They are choosing to hold on to their stocks, leading to a noticeable drop in market arrivals. Today's auction saw only 22.5 tons of pepper, down from 28.5 tons in the previous session. This clearly indicates that sellers aren't keen on offloading their pepper at the current lower price points. Across the major pepper-producing regions domestically, prices have remained largely stable. This suggests that farmers too are showing limited interest in selling at the prevailing rates. Interestingly, demand from China is providing some underlying support to the market according to trade sources. Looking at the international scenario, pepper of Vietnam origin has maintained a stable range of 150,000 Vietnamese dongs to 157,500 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. This reflects a balanced supply and demand situation on the global stage. Let's take a quick look at the domestic spot prices in Kochi. Ungarbled pepper is currently at 68,100 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is trading at 70,100 rupees per quintal. The 500 GL variety is priced at 67,100 rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, specifically in Kushalnagar and Chikmagalur, prices are ranging between 67,900 rupees and 70,200 rupees per quintal. On the international front, the FO black pepper prices are as follows. Brazil Asta is quoted at 6,800 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 500 GL at 6,700 United States dollars. Vietnam 550 GL at 6,800 United States dollars. Indonesia Asta at 7,323 United States dollars. And Malaysia at 9,950 Malaysian ringgit. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the current state of the pepper market. The slight recovery domestically, coupled with cautious sellers and stable international prices, paints an interesting picture. Remember to hit that like button if you found this analysis helpful, and subscribe to Ajay Money Guru for more timely updates and in-depth commodity analysis. Let me know your thoughts on any specific commodities you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Until next time, trade wisely.